Do you know anything about this specific location? Is that rock netting project associated with Yusek Cabral?
Wala namang kuwan, ano? If you look at the rock netting project that we initiated an investigation of the anomaly, hindi naman siya kasali doon sa kuwan eh. Hindi naman siya kasali sa mga kakasuhan. Kaya I was just wondering bakit lumabas yun. Actually, ang nangyari doon during the interview ng inquirer sa akin, nagtanong sila kung may mga rock netting projects doon. Sabi ko, yes, there are rock netting projects. In fact, from the place of incident, 100 meters going up to the city of Baguio, may mga series of rock netting. Pero I doubt it has anything to do with, the selection of the particular place.
Well, on this rock netting project, wala pa pong nakakasuhan ukol dyan, no? It's still pending.
Well, we already submitted the investigation report complete with the complaint lahat sa ITI at sa DPWH. All they have to do is file it with the Ombudsman.
All right.
That was 2 weeks ago.
Kailan nyo ba sinabmit yung report?
Yung case investigation report at the complaint, no one. 2 weeks ago.
2 weeks ago
through
lang.
the CIDG. Yeah, CIDG submitted the...
Why did it also take... What is this report that you submitted? Who conducted the investigation?
Well, we initiated investigation at tapos iniwanan ko na sa CIDG. Tinapos ngayon ng CIDG lahat investigation.
Can you fill us in on the findings of the CIDG?
Well, there is a massive anomaly that was discovered and sabi nga nung contractor mismo doon during my personal interview of the contractor who is Arnold Tulding, sabi niya Sir, ako na siguro magsasabi sa inyo na buong 90% ng Quezon Road project na rock netting substandard yan. Sabi ko, bakit mo naman sinabing substandard? Sir, isa lang ang pinanggalingan ng supplies niyan Tapos nung pinakita ko sa kanya, ito yung mga na-recover namin, mga kalaklawang na mga materyales. Sabi ko, hindi dapat kinakalawang yan according to defined specs niya. Sabi ko, bakit kinalawang? Yun nga, sir, isa lang ang pinanggalingan ng supply na yan, sabi niya.
So yung supply na yun saan po?
Tinuro nga niya yun. Tinuro nga niya yung grupo ni Congressman Eric Yap.